So now that you've seen a few MSEGs and you've seen how you can create your own curves, let me show you how you can save these curve shapes and then recall them at any time. For example, on this instrument over here, I've got an instance of the polymer. I'm going to add an instance of the curves LFO, and I can open this up, and let's say I go in and I draw my own curve shape that I like, that I want to use at a later stage. Then I can go over here and store the curve that I've saved, and this is going to save it as a BW curves file. So I can select the type, so this is going to be an LFO. I can just change the name over here. Let's call it Gary's curve, and I am the creator. I can choose a category. I'll leave it set at periodic, and then I can add some other tags if I want. So this is going to be an LFO that I use. And I click OK, and it's saved this curve shape for me. Now, let's say I go to another instrument. So this is the polygrid, and I want to recall that preset. Well, then I can go over here. I can go to curves. I'll open up curves. And then when I go into this curve shape, I can go here to open up the stored curves. You can see the ones here that have been already pre-installed by Bitwig. But if I click on my user profile, you can see the curve shape that I've saved here. So I can click on that, and now it pulls up that curve shape. And these curves are saved to your user library. So this is in my documents folder, Bitwig Studio, library, and then curves. And over here, you can see the BW curve shapes that have been saved. So as you build up your curves in your user library, you'll see them stored here. So it's really nice if you've gone to a lot of effort to build up a curve shape that you like, to save it as your own preset so that you can recall it at a later stage, anywhere in the project, anywhere in your instruments or devices.